I have never felt closer to my mom. In the exact same place that she was all those years ago. Only this time we know who the father is.
You're pregnant.
Yeah, I am.
Last night I was taken
Typical, isn't it? You wait 20 years for a dad and then 3 come along at once.
together with a young girl.
You're my mom, and I love you so much.
Shiver, 'cause he always used to look at me that way.
Time has been most cruel to you, sir.
It's a game.
In your case, age becomes you, as it does the tree, the wine, and cheese.
Look into his angel eyes. One look and you're hypnotized. Don't look
I can do this.
into those angel eyes.
If I can just be as brave as my mom was back then.
I was cheated by you.
I'm Bill.
And I
I'm
think
Donna.
you know when.
The world is wide.
So
I wanna make
made
some
up
memories.
my mind. It must come to
Can I help?
Look at me now.
She's missing her man.
Will I ever
Which one?
know? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control.
We only just met.
And you're not that kind of girl?
Absolutely not.
In my soul.
Usually.
Just one look and I can hear a bell ring. One more look and I can hear a girl sing. Whoa, mamma mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist?
She wasn't scared.
Mia,
She could do it because she wasn't alone.
my, just
She had me.
I missed you. Yes, I've
We can't tell anybody about the baby yet.
I just told Bill.
Yeah, and I told Harry.
been
I told many, many people.
Why did I ever let you go? Mamma mia, here I go again.
Let's get the party started.
Grandma, you weren't invited.
That's the best kind of party, little girl.
I should not have let you go.